Guys, I got a 13Q7 here. It needs a water pump because it's leaking. If you have some knowledge or little knowledge, you should be able to do this one by yourself. Okay, first thing is let's remove the coolant pressure here. Remove the cap there. Then you're gonna come here. You see the two pipes here to the supercharger with the pliers. Remove those clamps. Okay, and then T30 here. So you need a T30 socket. Okay, get the see. Move the hoses back. Okay, get this guy off, this coolant hose from here so you don't break it. Okay, then the water pump has 7 bolts here, T30s. Okay, 7 bolts. Okay, move that. Guys, make sure you put something underneath to collect the coolant. Okay, and that's that, guys. One thing, I will get the belt out of the way. So with a 60mm here, okay, release the tension of the tensioner to the right side. Okay, you could use a wrench or whatever. Go to the right. You could put a pin there too. Put a pin here so the tensioner stays under load, so you could just slap the belt in there later. But if not, don't worry about it. Just 60mm wrench there, like I did here. 60mm wrench. Okay, push the tensioner to the right and get the belt off. Okay, and that's it, guys. Then put the new pump in, which I already have, and torque these guys to 9Nm. Okay, 9Nm. Okay, if you don't have that vacuum fill tool to fill the coolant after you're done, just fill it up slowly until you get all the bubbles in, all the bubbles out. Sorry, and that's that, guys. Okay, I'm gonna give you the schematics of the belt in case you forget how to pull the belt. Okay, see, this is how the belt goes. Okay, this is the alternator, tension roller. This is the damper at the bottom. This is a water pump pulley. Okay. Oh, guys, I forgot to tell you, you gotta get this guy off too, of the water pump. Okay, that's a 10 triple square right here. Okay, let me show you this guy. Okay, once you get these lines out, these coolant lines, then you gotta get, forgot to tell you, the pulley, this guy. Okay, loosen it while having the belt on. Okay, because if you take the belt off, now you're gonna need a special tool to hold this thing in place to then loosen the bolts. So loosen the bolts before you take the belt off. And then when you go back, you partially put the bolt there, snap the belt in there, everything, put pressure on the belt, like loosen the tensioner, make sure the tensioner is pushing on the belt, and now you torque these things. Okay, or tighten it, however you're doing it. Okay, and that's that, guys. And this is the schematic on how the belt goes. Like I mentioned, see the 60mm wrench there? You're gonna go toward that way. Okay, and this thing gonna come up and you're gonna get the belt off. But I will get this guy here first, then come here and get and bring the tensioner to the right so I could get the belt off. Then when you go back in, partially put the bolts there. Okay, put your tensioner, take out the pin. If you did pull one in, remove the pin. Now come and tighten these guys up. Okay, and that's that, guys. Guys, thumb up if you like the video, subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you on the next video. Okay, get the clamp here, here, then the 230 here. Okay.